Hey guys, so it's a rainy day. Happy Mashramani!
Happy Mashramani! Happy Mashramani!
So guys, it's a rainy Mashramani in New Amsterdam. I think in the whole country, I just got a message for flooding advisory in a few areas. So it's raining and we are out to buy some provisions because we want to make some soup to keep nice and warm. Ideally I wanted a fish soup. I don't know if we're gonna find fish around New Amsterdam now. It's a rainy day. So let's see if we go and we find the vendors that are selling the provision, because I'm not sure if they're going to be out. It's Mashramani, so I'm not sure. The stand that has provisions. So we're gonna buy our provisions here.
It's okay, thank you.
We got some provisions there. Oh, they got ginger. I've been looking for ginger from ever since.
Good morning. Here we are to buy some provision. What pong for the ginger? This a pong now? Got some nice fresh ginger here. One pong? Yeah, one pong ginger please. Line two? Okay. Huh? We have the ginger here, we have the apple here. One pong ginger. Yeah, phải one jar lime no? How the belanje? 3 for 200. 3 for 300. 2 for 300. 3. I want some nice to make some choco. This belanje we make some choco with, okay? Wow. Look here. So when you guys want some fresh greens and vegetables, right in front of Lucky House, you can come and pick up some. These people open on holidays, weekends, Sundays, whole week they always be here. So come get some nice fresh vegetables and check them out.
So guys, we're back home.
That's one.
Hi guys, waiting on the guys to open the door. The bottom one. The bottom one.
6-year-old is trying to be a determined child. Get the door open. You getting it?
Yes.
There we go.
Okay. First things first, guys, I want some celery. Some celery here. I need some more.
Why not in the rain?
Okay. And I think I'm gonna put some spinach in my soup as well. Almost forgot. I want some thyme. Okay, guys. Anyway, guys, so guys, we're back. Tamish bought some really nice fresh stuff. We got some belanje to make our belanje choker. Got some nice fresh tomatoes, some ginger, apples for the kids to snack on. We got some limes and some provisions that I'm gonna make a soup today. So I'll show you guys that part. We didn't buy these today, but when was the last time you guys had this? Cashew pear. Is there another name for it?
Golden pear.
Another name?
What would your name in that?
No, but is there another name?
No, cashew.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna go wash up all these and put them away, and then I'll start the soup. Hey guys, so I'm halfway through chipping up my provisions or peeling my provisions. Guys, just a tip, Eddos make my hands and my skin itch when I cut them up and peel it. I'm not sure if it is a common, I don't know if it's common, but I know of a few people who is like that as well. So a tip is just to wear some gloves when you're handling it so it doesn't make your skin itch. Very carefully, gently pour the provisions inside. So guys, look who just woke up from his nap, and he said he wants to help, so he's gonna hold the bowl while I put in the dumplings, okay? And he's having a cashew pear. So guys, I just pinch and throw. That's basically it. Pinch and throw. Pinch and throw. I know some people, they like to make theirs into balls or like log shaped, whatever. Everybody cooks differently. Everybody does things their own way. This is just how I do mine. Sometimes, depending on, you know, how I'm feeling that day, I might want to do it into balls, or I might want to do it into logs, but today I want to do it like this. So guys, Damish just woke up from a nap and he's about to have the soup to his chest.
When you wake up on a nap, you need something like this. Yummy.
I have some news about this.
No, good job.
Thank you.
Hi guys, today is Mashramani, and Mashramani is about Guyana becoming a republic.
Okay.
That's great, honey. Okay. I would like to show you this thing what my grandpa sent to me.
What is it?
It's an electric circuit. My father put it on this motor here, and the light bulb, it's the only thing that came with the electric circuit.
Mm-hmm. How does it work?
If the electricity has to go to the switch before it goes to the motor. Look, here is the motor.
Mm-hmm.
And you see this metal? When both of the wires are touching,
Mm-hmm.
the light bulb works.
Wow.
To connect it on a little properly, you can use this little thing. And for the stand, you can put this little thing on.
Okay. Alright guys, so that is how, thank you John.
Okay, thank you.
Alright guys, so that is how we spent our Mashramani. That is it, you're in the that is how we spent our Mashramani. It's a cold, rainy day, and like I said, Region 6, we don't have any kind of Mashramani celebrations until the weekend. So thank you guys for watching today's video. We hope to see you guys in our next video. Thank you for if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up, and please leave a comment if you enjoyed today's video. Bye.
Whatever you do, do it with your heart.
Yeah.